out of the way, and I'm going to go ahead and start slow, and then progressively I'll try and increase the amount of force I put into this. So let's go ahead and first just simply drop the hammer. That was about maybe just a couple inches, but you can see absolutely nothing. Glass stood up to it. Let's try that one more time. And again, nothing. So now I'm going to start actually using some force. And I'm going to start actually right in the middle. So 2 kind of small to medium hits, nothing. And there you go. You just need a little bit more power and you will see the crack. So now I'm just going to go ahead and I'm just going to hammer this guy all the way to its death. Michael!
What?
Get some Febreze or something.